Mark the top's half length on different positions. Here it is 16 inches. Divide the pattern paper like so. On the starting line, mark the shoulder measurement divided by 2 on the front and back block. Mark the chest line of 8 inches like so. Connect with a straight line. From the center front, mark the shoulder again on the chest line. Repeat same from the center back. Connect the armhole line from the shoulder point to the chest line on the front and back block. Come down by 1.5 inches from the chest line on the front block and 1 inch from the chest line on the back block. Rule a line across the dart starting line on the back block and the bust span line on the front block. Mark the under bust length on different positions on the front block. Here it is 12 inches. Connect the line. Come down by 1 inch from the front shoulder slope and 0.5 inch on the back shoulder slope. The neck width is 3 inches and the neck depth 3 inches for the front block, while the neck width for the back block is 3 inches and the neck depth 1 inch. With a French curve, draw the necklines. Get the mid armhole by dividing the shoulder slope to the chest line. On the mid armhole, come in by 0.5 inch. On the mid armhole for the back block, go out by 0.5 inch. Slope the shoulders on both blocks. Draw a line from the mid armhole to the shoulder slope on the back and front block. On the half length of the back block, come in from the center back by 1 inch. Connect to the neck depth. From the new center back, place horizontal measurements, the bust divided by 4, the waist divided by 4. On the chest line on the front block, mark the bust divided by 4. On the half length, the waist divided by 4. Connect the front sides and the back side lines. Connect the armhole on the front and back block. The inches between the mid armhole and the chest line is used to get your darts. Place this on the bust span line and on the waist line. Connect with a straight line. Mark the back darts starting from the original center back line and connect with a straight line. Open the dart legs by 0.5 inch on both sides of the dart line. Draw the dart legs on the front and back block. With a slight curve, connect the princess dart line to the mid armhole. From the mid armhole, extend the princess dart line by 1 inch on the back and front block. Then redraw the armhole on both blocks. Mark the dart intake of 1 inch as seam allowance on the side. Then redraw the side lines. The half length of the back is 14 inches, 2 inches shorter than the front half length. Rule the new waistline. Take the 2 inches difference and place it from the bust span line on the side line. Connect this bust dart to the bust point as shown. Alter the neckline, going out by 1.5 inch. This makes the neck width 4.5 inches for the front block and the back block. Come down by 4 inches from the front neck depth and by 2 inches on the back neck depth. With a French curve, reconnect the necklines. Separate the back and the front block. Cut out the border at the half length. Cut through the dart line. Close the bust dart. Cut the side line. Cut out the dart legs through to the armhole, the neckline, shoulder line, side dart, armhole. Cut out the back half length, side line, armhole. Cut out the dart to the armhole, the side dart, the armhole tightening, shoulder line, neckline, and finally the back tightening. Pattern set ready. Let's cut the shining face satin. Here is 4 yards. Place 28 inches on fold, lengthwise and widthwise. This fabric is on 4 folds. Cut out the shape. You will need 2 of this fold layered together. To get the radius, divide the waist circumference by 2. The resulting figure is further divided by 6.25. Here the radius is 2.5 inches. Cut out the radius. Now mark the length of the skirt. Here it is 25.5 inches on different positions. Connect the curved hem and cut out. You will have 2 full circles. Separate one folded side of one of the skirts. This will be for the front. Separate the 2 folded side of the other skirt. This will be for the back of the skirt. This center will be the center back. Lay the front skirt over the back pieces. Here you can see the 2 sides. Transfer the bodice block to fabric. Add 1.5 inches on the sides and 0.5 inch on other sides. For the center back, add 1 inch for zipper allowance and 0.5 inch on the other areas. Notch the bottom and top area of the zipper line. The satin will also be used as the lining. For the sleeve, here is 1 yard of organza. Place on fold yardage wise. Place on double folds lengthwise. The radius here is 3 inches. The length ought to be 9 inches, but for volume, add 3 extra inches. So here we have marked 12 inches on different positions. Connect the curve. Proceed to cut out. We have 2 full circles for the sleeve. Next is the sewing process. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.